The first roof we're going to be looking at is designed for a Cheyenne. This will be a later model Cheyenne, but we don't have any part number information on this unit. So my best guess is going to be 2008, 2009, maybe a 10. Sound about right, Kaylee?
Yep.
All right. So we're going to measure off everything that we have inside the roof and the height and width of the roof for you. Let's start with the length. Oh man, I get the hard end. From corner cap to corner cap, 127 1/8. For the width, corner cap to corner cap, 87. For the height, 11 inches. Moving to the inside of the roof, we'll start with these lift pockets. These lift pockets are where your lift arms accept into. We'll measure from the inside of the lift pocket bracket. This is actually just a trim covering. So straight across from inside the roof, inside the lift pocket, we have 11 inches. And Kaylee, if you can hold on this side, we'll measure the distance from these lift pockets. Lift pocket to lift pocket inside, 84 inches. And I'm going to bet we have 11 inches here again. Which we do not. We have 10.5 inches. For the lift pocket placements, they're a little bit different because the lift arms, as you know, are designed to move around a little bit. Remember, the lift arms aren't supposed to be tight up to the roof. They need to be loose on the studs to allow a little bit of play in the arm. You'll also notice that the top of the lift arms are oval to accommodate the movement. Next, there'll be the screen door tracks. Now, these tracks are movable. You can make this roof work on non-intended units by moving these tracks and moving the tent track and curtain tracks around inside the camper. So, straight across from the outside to the extrusion, we have 18.5 inches for the first screen door track. These tracks will be spaced at 24 inches on center, which they are. And Kaylee, if you can grab that end, from the extrusion to the inside of this track, we have 74 5/8. For our second roof, this one is designed for a 2009-2010 Yuma. All right, Kaylee, you get that in this time. Overall width, corner cap to corner cap,
127.
127 inches. Overall width,
87.
87 inches. All right, lift pockets. Kaylee, you can get that first one. Straight across from the extrusion to the inside of that lift pocket.
15 1/4.
15 1/4. Inside to inside width?
83.
83. All right. And go ahead and check this one. 15 3/4. Oh, the height. We forgot the height. How tall is this roof, Kaylee? Thank you, Rich.
10 1/4.
10 1/4. All right. Screen door tracks. They are on this side of the roof in this unit. And let's do from that side. All right, from that end to the inside, we have 30 5/8. They're going to be 24 inches on center. And then Kaylee, we'll just have to go over the roof braces. So just kind of eyeball it above it.
63 1/4.
63 1/4. All right. All right, this unit has 2 roof braces installed for air conditioning. You can also see the 4 accordion rivets that mark the cutout location for the AC placement should you want to add air conditioning to this. So you'd remove those accordion rivets, drill through, and then cut your 14 by 14 hole to install your air conditioner or roof vent. We also have a CO detector, battery powered, in the roof.
Now we're going to look at our 2007 Sea Pine. First, we're going to measure the length. We have 139.
139.
Now for the width. $87.
87 inches. And for the height.
$10.5. Now we're going to measure from the corner to the first lift pocket.
All right, 16 inches to the inside of the lift pocket. And inside to inside on the lift pockets is 95 inches. And I got this one, Kaylee, inside the lift pocket to this corner, 16 inches. All right, for our screen door track from the extrusion inside the roof to the outside of the first track, we have 37 inches. They're going to be 24 inches on center spaced. And from the other side of the screen door track to the corner of this roof, here, trade me, so I can get that tape tight inside.
69 inches.
69 inches. Again, we see we have roof braces for AC install and the accordion rivets marking the recommended cutout location. We're also supplying extra lights for this roof. Something that Coleman did, I'm not sure why they did it, they never shipped lenses with the roofs, at least never that I saw. You always had to order the lenses separately. This one's no exception. So the lenses for these lamps are no longer available, so you're going to get some new lamps that you're going to have to install in this roof.